Alright, I am Professor Alfredo Olivares Jr. I'm going to start Refresher Star 41A1, Algebra 1. Ready? Let's start. Square root of 28. Well, let's break it up. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So 2 divides 28, 14. 2 divides 14, 7. 7 divides that 1. So 28 is 2 times 2 times 7, or 28 is 4 times 7. Square root of 4 times 7, or square root of 4 and 7. So square root of 4 is 2, 2 square root of 7. So that's the answer right there. So you're looking for work, great boss, great food, right here. Open 24 hours. Mama Margie's Mexican Cafe. Is 2, 4 a solution? Put them in there. Put the 2 there, put the 4 there. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That together is going to be 20. Is 20 greater than 8? Yes. So, yes, the point 2, 4 is a solution for this. Or you can use graphing calculator. And evaluate the function f of 2. Put a 2 in there. So 2 is cancelled. That's going to be 2 divided 2 is 1. 1 times that is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So f of 2 is 0. Or use your graphing calculator. Solve the linear equation. Multiply this out. 2 times that, 2x. 2 times that, negative 2 plus 4. 2 times that, 4x. 2 times that is 2 and 6. So 2x plus 2. 4x plus 8. Minus 2 minus 2. These are gone. So 2x equals 4x plus 6. Minus 4x minus 4x. So this is giving me negative 2x equals 6. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So that's going to give you x is a what? Negative 3. Solve the linear equation. Negative 2 times that, negative 4x. That times that is 2. 2 times that is 8. That times that is negative 2x. So minus 2 minus 2. These are gone. Negative 4x equals negative 2x plus 6. Add 2x to both sides. So this is going to give you negative 2x equals 6. Again, divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So x is what? Negative 3. Part 1. Graph the linear function. Let's get some points. 2 points. So put a 0 in there. 0 times that is 0. Plus 3 is 3. Put a 2 in there. 2 there. 2 is cancelled out. So we really have negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So we have 0 and 3, 2 and 0. 0 and 3, and 2 and 0 right here. And there's the line. Connect the dots. One way to do it. Another way to do it, using your graphing calculator. Set up the windows like this. And put it in your graphing calculator. Y1 is this. Put parentheses on it. Make sure you do it like exactly like this. Put it in there. You'll get this graph right here. What is the rate of change of y with respect to x? So we need pairs of points here. So we're going to go ahead and use 0 and 0.50 and 50 and 12.50. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Put them in the formula. So formula, there they are. So 50 minus 12.50 is negative 12.00. 0 minus 50 is going to be negative 50. So divide these two numbers, negative by negative, is going to be positive 0.24. Or use a calculator, graphing calculator. Find the equation of the line through the 2 points. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the formula I'm going to use. I'm going to use this formula here. Y minus y1, y1, y2, x1, x2, x minus x1. Put the 2-point formula in there. Put the numbers in there. So now we have negative of negatives, positive. Negative, negatives, positive. Negative, negatives, positive. So now this is 15 over negative 10. 5 times that gives me that. Divide, cancel out 5s. So we have negative 3 over 2 times x plus 2. That times that is negative 3 over 2x. That times that's going to be 6 over 2. This reduces to 3, or simplifies. So now we can go minus 1 minus 1. So y equals negative 3 half x minus 4. Find the equation of the line parallel to this. First thing we need to do is find y. So let's add 2x to both sides. 3y equals this. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equals 3 divided plus 2 over 3x. Rewrite this. Y equals 2/3 x plus 3. M is 2/3. That's a parallel slope and the point. So we have a point slope formula. We have the slope. We have the point. Next page. So put the numbers in there. The slope, the point. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Put the numbers in. So y minus 8, 2/3 of x minus minus the plus. That's going to be 2/3 x. That's going to be 12 over 3. So that's going to give you 4. Y minus 8 equals 2/3 x plus 4. Add 8. So y equals 2/3 x plus 12. But that's slope-intercept form. We don't want that. We want the standard form. So let's multiply everything by what? 3, 3, 3. 3y equals 2x plus 36. And subtract 2x. These are gone. 3y minus 2x is 36. And then rewrite this. Put this here. Put that one there. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 36. Standard form. The graph of the linear function h is given. If f of x equals x and h of x equals af of x, then find a. There's a graph. It's already there. F of x is x, and we know that h of x equals af of x, or h of x equals ax, because f of x is x. So this one and this one are the same. So now h of negative 3 is the same thing as a times negative 3, or equals negative 2 using this point right here. So h of negative 3a is that. Divided by 3, divided by the 3, so a has to be what? 2/3 to work. In other words, we have the answer is h of x is going to be 2/3 x. This is what's going to be at the end. So now, for the linear function, find the domain and range. Domain means left and right. Range is bottom and top. So to the left, we'll go negative 7 and 2. So negative 7 and 2, that's the domain. Right here, trapped right there. Range, bottom, from negative 6 to 4. Like that. So domain, negative 7, let's go to x, that's in 2. Range, negative 6, that's in f of x, that's in 4. Or equal to 4. Graph the linear inequality. So what we're going to do is solve for y. Minus 2x minus 2x, 4y is greater than 8 minus 2x, divided by 4 by 4 by 4. So what's going to happen is, this is going to cancel right here. So we have y is greater than 2 minus 1/2 x. So rewrite it, y is greater than negative 1/2 x plus 2. So now try 0. Put 0 times that, 0 plus 2 is 2. Put a 2 in there. 2 of that cancels 2 over 2. It's going to be negative 1 plus 2 is going to be 1. 0, 2, 2, 1. 0 and 2, 2 and 1. Now, checkpoint, 2, 3. Put this back in the original problem. 2 times 2 and 4 times 3. That's going to be 2 times 2 is 4, 12, 16. Greater than, yes. So the graph goes this way from here. And it's a dotted line. Don't include. Greater than 8 means don't include the, it's not a solid line. It's a dotted line, dashed line. Okay. Find the range of the linear function. So we're given the function. We have the domain is x is less than equal to 4. So we know the domain is this. Now the range, what is the range? From here up, the bottom to top. The domain of f is all real numbers less than or equal to 4. Range of f is all real numbers greater than or equal to negative 1. Or domain is negative infinity to 4. Range is negative 1 to infinity. Domain is x less than or equal to 4. Range is f of x is greater than negative 1. Graph the linear function y equals 4. Well, it's always going to be 4, 4, 4. Why? So if you put 0, it's a 4. If you put a 1, it's a 4. So at 0, 4, 1, 4, it's just a horizontal line going like this. So the graph, use a graphing calculator right there. The equation of the line y equals 4, there it is, and the line is parallel to x equals, and the line is parallel to the x-axis, yes. Y equals 4. Graph the linear function with x-intercept, y-intercept. So x-intercept negative 2 means you have negative 2, 0 at this point. Y-intercept 4 means you have 0 and 4 there. Put the numbers in there, negative 2, 0, 0, 4, connect the dots. Simplify this. Let's put a 1 there for the y. So 3 times 7, 1 times 7, 4 times 7, that's going to be x to the 21, y to the 7, z to the 28. And that's it. Leave it like that. Simplify this. So let's put 1's in there. 1, 1, 1. So we have 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2. So that's going to be 90, x to the 8, y to the 4. And you have 3 to the 2, x to the 2, y to the 2. And 3 times 3, which is this, is 9. So now we have 9 times 10 and 9. Bring this number up here. 2 from the 8, 2 from the 4. So subtract the numbers. So we have 10, x to the 6, y to the 2. Simplify this. So 3 over 2 times 1 over 2. So 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 4. 3 half x right here. This is going to be 3 half x squared. 3 fourth x squared. Okay, yeah, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, yes. And this one times this one's going to give you 15. 5 times 3 is 15 over 2x. And this times this is going to give you 1 half x plus 5. Put them together, 15x, 1x. 3 fourth x squared plus, this is going to be 16x over 2. Divide these two numbers. So we have 3 fourth x squared plus 8x plus 5. That's this one. Multiply the numbers. Negative 2 times negative 3, they're there. The powers, we add them. X to the 0 plus 11, negative 3 plus minus 19, and 10 plus 0. So 6, x to the 11, y to the negative 16, z to the 10. This number, you rewrite it, bring it to the bottom. So you have 6x 11, z 10 over y 16. Factor this. All you can take out is the greatest common factor, which is 5. 5 times that, 6x squared is 30x squared. 5 times that, 35. That's it. We can do with that. Now, we're done with 1 through 20, huh? Oh, cool looking surfboard, huh? All kinds of decorations on it. Alright, let's see what else is here. Ooh, broken surfboard man. With all his Hawaiian stuff on. He's looking down, trying to find a piece of his surfboard. His arm, his knee, all his Hawaiian stuff. Looking down, trying to find it. And there's a little mast shark piece of the board, surfboard. A little smart bird right there, see it? Yeah. Anyway, hopefully Hawaiian surfboard, you find all your stuff. Pieces of your surfboard. Oh, math monster. Is math fun? Not fun. Fun? Not fun. I say it's fun. Fun. Yes, the answer is fun. Got it. Oh, what is this? More scary than the Star Algebra 141A1, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What could be more scary than that, huh? Think about it. What could be more scary? Oh my gosh, 7 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's pretty scary. So what's more scary than the Star Algebra 141A review, huh? Refresher, huh? Oh my gosh. Let's see, 7, 7. There they are. They're hiding. 7 and 7. So what is more scary than this? Oh my gosh, it's Crunchy. The giant one, huh? With all the little hair guys in there. Well, anyway, good luck on your Star Algebra 141A1 refresher review. Good luck. I'm Professor Alfredo Alvarez Jr. Good luck.